Hi everyone, my name is Graham Barnes and I'm going to be introducing Team DeFi Together's HackFS project. So DeFi Together, going to be looking at this wireframe first, and then we're going to go on to like a demo with some tech integrations. So DeFi Together, Moon Together, the idea is you can get a bunch of people who can invest in DeFi and do it in a way that is safe and doesn't require trust with the friends involved. So no rug pulls. Now this is the onboarding flow. What the person is going to do is they're going to set up a Gnosis safe with themselves as an owner. So that's what will happen here, create wallet. Then they will add the modules. Modules are custom business logic that will impact the user experience. So here we have rage quit, add a new member. These are defaults. Add a new member is quite simply a new person that joins the group has to add a proportional amount of capital. Vice versa, rage quit means someone can leave the group, and when they leave, they will get their share, basically their proportion of funds invested back. But then we've got stuff like dynamic voting. You can take various chat app type features and bring this into the mix, stuff like kicking, for example. All right, here the owner will set the amount of starting capital. So for our example, we're just going to use 1 ETH. This means that new members invited here will have to send 1 ETH before they can add themselves as an owner. All right, so we've got 1 joined, 2 pending, and then we are just going to go to the DeFi Together homepage. So our friends have been invited. The balance of the wallet is 4 ETH. And now we're going to look at the proposed transaction flow. So proposed transaction, basically select what you want to do from a drop-down menu that will have various DeFi integrations, and then set a rationale. So this rationale will be saved to IPFS via Ceramic. And yeah, that's straightforward. But we're going to look now what happens when a transaction has got 3 out of 4 signatures required, and the last friend can basically go into the details and see this conversation around the transaction. So yeah, are they super safe? 2 of his friends agreed. At this point, the user can leave a comment and then sign and confirm, or reject it. So in this case, yeah, the user is going to sign and confirm, and the transaction will go through, updating the total balance to 3 ETH and 1 Aave with. So that was the concept. What we have here using scaffold.eth is the tech integration between the Gnosis Safe and Ceramic. So I've already added my wallet address as a code is 1. We've got starting capital that will basically send the initial amount of capital to the Gnosis Safe. Already sent some funds in and out at the moment. Invite friends. So what I can do is, let me just get a random wallet address. And the new threshold for signing, I'll make that 2. All right, so we've added that wallet address as another potential co-owner. And we can now also propose a transaction. So we can send money to, say, this signed in address. We get some Ether, 0.004. And rational, say, trying it out. And submit. So what we'll do is we'll see this. There's a signature missing. So we haven't built that into our demo to basically handle the extra transactions or the extra signatures, but it does mean that's working, so that's good. And then here is just a brief demo of using Ceramic. So we have another page where we're just testing out the Ceramic integration. All right, so what I can do here is just test it out. And when I submit this, you'll see we've got a Ceramic identifier here, and then we've also got a specific stream ID. So if I retrieve the data, it will get that directly from Ceramic via the stream ID. So yeah, that's our project, a Gnosis multisig using modules, and then using Ceramic to basically store this metadata to provide a social DeFi experience. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It was a lot of fun making it.